Okay, this is the Kiwi Ears R-Door model. They have multiple models. This is the 5.4 Bluetooth over-ear headphones with a 140-hour playtime, lightweight for podcast, gaming, all sorts of things. You can actually connect to 2 devices at once, so you can switch back and forth. Super soaked. Let's jump in the box right now. Okay, here we go. Again, this is the R-Door model. They have multiple models. Nice hard case here from Kiwi Ears. You can see that logo here. Got a travel right here. Move the box out of the way and get into the details. Oh, wow. Almost 460 degrees. There's your user manual. A couple things. We'll talk about specs when we show it. Drivers, playtime, Bluetooth name, you can rename those. In the box, you get a USB-C cable, an aux jack, 3.5 millimeter, 1-year warranty that you can get with the factory. So my assumption is in here, you're going to get the charging cable. And right, so we've got 3.5 millimeter there. Nice. First time I've seen this in a while. And USB-C to USB-C, which is great. You can charge it with a lot more options now. And these fit nicely right in here if you need them. So let's just jump in here and see all of the things that we've got. So we've got our USB-C right here, 3.5 here, our power button here. We've got the ANC right here, then our plus minus, that's going to be track, song, or whatever. We've got these that twist 45 degrees. Nice. I love that they're labeled on the inside right there, so you can see left ear, right ear. Not labeled on the outside as far as I can see. There's your FCC. Let's clear that right there. Padded top. So I'm going to try these on and do a frontal view so you can see them on my ears and show you what that looks like. So let's flip this around. Okay, the over-ear fill is really, really nice. Not 100% noise canceling, but I cannot hear the outside sounds that are going on as far as everything else in the house or the studio. The one thing that I already like, I have similar kind of higher brand name over-the-ear headphones that don't actually cover my entire ear. It may rhyme with seats, but anyway, they don't actually cover my entire ear in the ear pouch. So a couple of the details, we've got the 2 dynamic driver performance. There's the 40 millimeter dynamic driver powers, full bandwidth back and forth, up to 140 hours of playback, which I told you, but it is 1100 milliamp battery. So you can charge it for fast charging for 10 minutes will give you 8 hours of music. So if you're in a pinch and you're going on a flight or a drive, or you need something where you're going to be doing something, 10 minutes is going to get you an actually where you want to go. The spatial audio, by tuning spatial audio on, that's in the settings, you can do that. The ergonomic design, really nice. I like the pad up here. You also have the adjustable side, which most over-the-ear headphones have here. And you also have, and I'm reading this because I want to make sure, because the people that watch my channel for record players, different things like that, if you're an audiophile, the R-Door has been tuned to Audiophile tuning standards model after the famed Harman target reference. It also features a powerful bass, different things like that. I'm actually going to connect to it and then give you my final thoughts here in comparison with some of the previous models that I've had as far as over-ear headphones and some of the products that I've reviewed here. Okay, so a couple things. Let's just go through. So pairing is very, very easy. You've got your active noise canceling button right here, which is the ANC button I mentioned earlier. You also have the multi-function button with the volume up, volume down. It allows you to skip songs. It allows you to connect to Bluetooth. It is have a speaker, which is right here, right there. And then also there is a speaker built in, so it'll tell you when you're connected, what you're connected to, low battery, when the power is on. It's a woman's voice that you can kind of go through. You can reconnect to other devices by just turning it on, and it'll know which ones you've had. The charging status on the device is red light for charging and process, and then fully charged is ready to use, and that's when the light turns off. So you can kind of just let it charge and it turns off when it's done. There is a multi-function button, which I mentioned, which is the power up, power down, skip songs, stuff like that. The headphone pairing is pretty easy. I mean, you've connected headphones before. So overall, sound quality is great. The active noise canceling, it's just a click of a button. Obviously, if you have that on, it does use a little bit more battery power than before. If you're someone that's using over-the-ear headphones for 140 hours, right, depending on what you do for work, whether it's outside or inside, these are a great option for you. And again, these are comes with the hard case, the travel strap here that you can put anywhere. So Kiwi ears, nice buy. I really like it. I might switch these to my daily use ones and give my old ones to one of my sons. So again, appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.